Hey, welcome back everybody. Today's episode is what's in my Tinder pouch. Stick around. All right, cedar tree. This stuff is awesome timber. This is some black birch right here. So one of the main reasons to have a tinder pouch or a tinder bag is so you have dry tinder on inclement weather days. And also, in case of an emergency, if I happen to fall into this lake or slip or something, I don't have to scramble and worry about finding tinder real quick. I can easily open up that tinder bag and just start a fire immediately and get dry and warm. All this dead white birch right here. Sometimes you just clean out the dead stuff. So what you want to do is, around these humongous pine trees, right at their base, all of this is really dry pine duff. And you guys know I use the Hidden Woodsman Tinder Bag. So it's got a mil-spec buckle, 500D material. It's very water resistant and it folds in on itself like this. Again, it's humongous as far as what it can hold. See, I already got like tinder fluffing out of here. And it also can attach to your belt. And if I wanted, I could open it up, attach it to my belt, and just fire stuff in it. And the reason I wanted to make this clear is, if you notice, I keep putting the tinder in my cargo pocket because you never want to introduce brand new tinder that you found into your tinder bag, because the whole idea of the tinder bag is to keep the contents bone dry. So when you're gathering tinder, there's rain, snow, dew, that's basically organic matter can hold on to. So what I always do is I put it in my cargo pocket. Not only is my body heat helping maybe dry it out, however, when I get home, I lay it out for a few days and then I introduce it into my tinder pouch. This way, no moisture gets in there because it's a no-no. The Tinder bag is about bone dry, dusty, flaky material that you want to bury into the center of your nest. So what I'm saying, guys, is don't buy any of that crap. Just come out here into the woods. It's all here, dry, natural, and ready for you to use. You don't need to spend any money on fancy schmancy Tinder. Wow, look at this freshly fallen pine right in the trail. They even took this guy out. So you can see this limb was probably 40 feet in the air. So I'm wondering if it's loaded with the good stuff. Look at a ring of goodness on that one. And if you want to bring out, like, fatwood does not belong in your Tinder bag. That belongs in like a Ziploc, keeping the moisture in. So this is where I keep that stuff. Again, in a baggie. Could I put this inside my Tinder pouch? Sure, but I keep it separate because I don't want the moisture from this leaching into my Tinder pouch. Looky here, a yellow birch. The trick to these is to harvest birch, yellow birch bark down at the bottom. It's where it kind of gives the most. It's very feathery. Well, that was cool. All 3 birch trees we found some tinder from. Again, remember guys, when you're removing bark from trees, cedar included, just a few pieces from random spots on the trunk. Do not go crazy, just move on to the next tree, take a few more pieces. It's like that with any type of foraging in the forest. All right guys, I'm gonna conclude with a huge announcement. Maplehouse Knives is having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Craig, if you don't know him, makes some unbelievable knives. I'll splash them on the screen right now. And he's given one away with a ferro rod set. Also, Nathan4071 has thrown in one of his humongous ferro rods. I'll be throwing in a Hidden Woodsman Tinder bag full of all these goodies I showed you today. So please go over there and subscribe to him. Share this video with your friends and tell them Kevin sent you. I appreciate you watching. PBC out, and I'll see you in the next one.